If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you. I'm feeling myself a little bit today. I'm feeling myself, yeah. I just have something to show you, and I hope that you will like it.
Hello
Trust me.
everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Lily Ogini and I'm a Nigerian living in Delta State of Nigeria. Today's video is about the simple hair on my head. If you like what you see, if you like the hair, and you stay tuned and see how and what I used to style my hair to make it look like this if you like it, and of course also to show you guys what I used to achieve my eyebrows looking natural and soft, simple, without having to use an actual eye pencil to draw it. For those of us that are not very comfortable drawing, if you can apply this method I'm about to show you, it's gonna really come out better or like this. The reason why mine is like this is because I just carve and I'm not really an hairy person. When it comes to my brows are always scanty, so stay tuned into the video and love you.
You can see I'm holding two um stuffs right there, so I'm going to keep that and use this one. This is mascara. Yeah, mascara that you use on your brows. What's it called? On your lashes. Yeah, so all you have to do is just go in with the mascara and apply gently and lightly. Yeah, you can see I don't have a lot of hair on that area, but it doesn't matter. Just do it, and do it gently and carefully, and just take your time to do it. Just take your time. You don't have to pack all the products at once. Just do it gradually, gently, and just keep doing it. Keep adding, keep adding, keep adding, keep adding. And don't be hard, just be soft. Yup, 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 yup. So I'm going in with my concealer. You can use any concealer of your choice for this part, but I'm using a concealer from Paba Cosmetics. So just going to define and highlight my brows to make it look really well defined. You can see how I'm doing. You can apply my method if you want. You can use another, but this is how I apply my own. I just keep going. You just have to be focused and just do it. It's not really that hard. If you put your mind to it, you can get it done. Okay, apply. Blend with the angle brush, or what is that, flat brush. Yes, I'm using a flat brush, very flat. It allows me to achieve what I want. So I'm going in again with the mascara to add up, so to make it look fuller and thicker, even though there's really nothing there for me. Yeah, I'm going in with my foundation to highlight the upper part of my brows, and I'm using a foundation from Rimmel London Perfect Match. Like so, just do it like so. If you have another method, you can apply, but this is how I usually do mine, especially with this method. Okay, just blend. I'm going in with my floppy brush to blend the excess products. This brush works so well. Just blend out everything, make it look soft and natural. Yeah. That's the good thing about using a foundation at the upper part of the brows. It helps to soften the blending. It makes it so easy to blend. So I'm going in with my highlighter to apply around my brow bone to make it, give it that glow and shine, just like so, like so, like so. Okay, feeling myself. That's it for the brows. That's it. Thank you for watching, and let me show you the hair part, the hair segment or part. So I'm just going to like start out by combing my hair. My hair is due, as you can see, so but I'm still going to like work with it. Yeah, so you part the hair into sections, and comb it. If you just relax, retouch your hair or use a relaxer for the first time, this is going to be so really easy. But you can achieve it as well even if you're having virgin hair. Yeah, clip, you can see her. Wow. Okay, like so. Part the hair again, comb it, keep combing until it allows you to pull it backward with your hands, and then use a pin or a clipper, whichever works for you, to clip the hair, to pin the hair down like so. Clip. So the remaining parts of the hair, I'm just going to like comb it gently with my comb. Keep combing until it allows you to work with easily. Yeah, so just going to pat it gently with my hands and fold it like so, and then go in again. I have to check my mirror to see. Then go in again with the pin and clip it. That's it. Yeah, for the back, if you want to leave it like that, it's not a problem, but for me, I didn't want to just leave it, so I have to like pack it, and I'm using my baby's hair packer to pack the hair, to hold it backward like so. Very simple. That is it. I'm going in with this conditioner from Bellestar products. This is one of the products, this is one of the products that I review. This is a product that I review on my videos. It's not like I've done a lot of product reviews whatsoever. So this is my first product that I review here. Reveal. Oh my god, or join. Yeah, so to make baby hair, I'm using my toothbrush that I no longer use for this part, just like so, because my hair is due, but it still give me that the edges still lay. So just imagine that my hair is not due. This product is really good, I won't lie. And to think that it's made in Africa, wow. Like so, you can style your baby hair any ways you want it, but this is how I understand it, and this is what I want for today. Look, like so. Right, I'm using the mini one to apply the back. Yeah, I'm going in with the Wing Shine from the same brand, Bellestar. I love this brand, guys. I love it. Just look at what it's going to do. Look at that shine. Look at that. A little goes a long way. That's it. This Wing Shine can revive any wing or even hair. So that's it, and I'm feeling myself. That's the finished look for the hair and brows. Thank you for watching. If you have watched to this part, thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you for your support, and please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification, leave me a comment, share, like, and thank you so much. Yeah, I will see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.